Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Find My iPhone iOS 26. So simply at first open your settings, press on General, go to Software Update. Make sure to update your iOS 26. I'm already updated my iOS 26. So go back, open your settings again, click on your Apple account name. As you can see, showing it to Find My option. So this is my Find My iPhone. Now it's turn on and my location. Okay, when you turn off this is a temporary turn off. If you want to permanently turn off this, press on. And enter your Apple ID password. Okay, press on turn up. You just wait a few seconds, and now successfully turn off Find My iPhone.